Before you even think about your next upload, you need to hear this. Because what I'm about to show you is flipping the script for a small creator in 2025. Forget everything you have been told about needing daily upload, viral luck, or 1,000 subscribers. That's not how small creators are getting monetized anymore. They're using a single video strategy and it's working faster than anyone expected. No sponsor, no hack, no guessing, just one smart move. And I'm not talking about a theory. This is what's happening right now. In fact, there's a small group of creators who are using this exact method to go from zero to monetization in under 60 days. By the end of this video, you will know the exact strategy that's helping small creators to get discovered, retain viewers longer, and even earn before they hit 1,000 subscribers. We're going to break it down into 3 powerful frameworks that you can use starting today. So grab a notebook, because before I break down framework number 1, the discovery magnet, you're about to understand how just one video can change the entire direction of your channel. Let's dive in. Act number 1, the discovery magnet. If your video doesn't bring in new viewers, you're not building enough momentum to monetize. Let's talk about how small creators are using just one discovery video to grow fast, get found, and activate the algorithm. Step 1, the title that trigger. Here's a bad title. Oh, I got monetized. Here is a better title. One video got me monetized, no sponsor, no luck. Here is the formula. Curiosity layer plus qualifier. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm variation. Validate demand with vidIQ or TubeBuddy. Then refine the title to increase tension. Real creator at Kate YouTube. Use this approach and hit 90,000 views on a monetization strategy video. It works because it creates a promise people couldn't ignore. If your title doesn't stop the stroll, your strategy doesn't matter. Step 2, thumbnail that sells a promise. Your thumbnail is not a decoration. It is the second half of your hook. Design it to exaggerate the payoff. Create contrast and curiosity. Stay bold and readable at 144 pixels. Use tools like Canva, Midjourney, or ChatGPT to map the layout. Your text idea should be one video in yellow, equal monetization in white. Big green arrow behind it, clean, punchy, effective. Step 3, hooks that confirms the payoff. Your first 15 seconds need to say, this is exactly what you click for. Try this. Everyone say you need to upload more to grow, but I hit monetization with just one video. Here's exactly how. Boom, hook delivered. Now build trust. If they click but bounce in the first 30 seconds, you're training the algorithm to ignore you. Step 4, stack the viewer's desire. Break the video into layers of value. How you found the idea, how you structured it, what the first 30 seconds said, what you edit, what you optimize. Every 30 seconds, tease what's next. Say things like, we'll come back to that in a second. Here's where most people mess this up. That keep dopamine flowing and viewers watching. Step 5, mid-video CTA loop. Don't wait till the end to hacks. Say things like, if you're still here, you're not just trying to grow, you're trying to grow smart. So hit subscribe. This strategy is just part 1. Identity-based CTA. No begging, just alignment. Before I get into the second part of this video, remember to smash that like button. Leave a comment with any question that you have. Share the video with a friend. You don't want to miss the final part because it could be the reason why your channel stays stuck invisible in 2025. So if you're ready to grow, remember to keep watching. Act number 2, the watch time builder. YouTube reward watch time per impression. Let's build that. Step 1, one problem, multiple layers. Turn a simple idea like monetization into a journey. Break it into steps. Step 1, discovery. Step 2, retention. Step 3, editing. Step 4, CTA flow. Step 5, playlist structure. That structure equals session time. Real creator example, Marian Bland monetized with 3 uploads in 38 days. Why? Because the videos are stalking to each other's. The longer people watch you, the more YouTube watches you. Step 2, retention anchors. Every 30 to 60 seconds, add a zoom, show a B-roll, pop up a graphic, ask a question out loud. That reset keeps the brain engaged and that keeps the video alive. Step 3, add replay value. End the video by linking forward. For example, this was just a strategy, but if you want the actual workflow step by step, watch this next video. I break down the full system. Use end screen, pin comment, cards, everything lead to forward. You don't need just one views, you need a session. Step 4, chapter break. Even a 7-minute video can have a structure. Use clear verbal clue. Here's the first shift I made. Then I try something different. And this is where it all click. These act as mini reset point. They make people feel progress, and progress keep people watching. Step 5, call forward. Most creators summarize Smart One preview. Say this at the end. In my next video, I'm breaking down how I use ChatGPT and Descript to go from script to upload in 2 hours. Now they're not just viewers, they're waiting for what's next. Act number 3, the monetization engine. Viewers don't pay, structure does. Let's build the engine. Step 1, discovery plus retention equal monetization. You need 1,000 subs, 4,000 hours of watch time, or 10 million short views. One video with strong retention can earn you 30 plus hours. Stock 5 like that, you're eligible. The right video doesn't just get views, it creates leverage. Step 2, monetizable intent. Pick a topic that attracts creators, business owners, ICPM niche. Then add affiliate links, link to your free guides, or build an email list. Now the video earns before you're even monetized. Step 3, comment strategy. Prompt ChatGPT, write a pinned comment that invite people to share their growth plan, plus a call to action that feel like joining a mission. For example, if you're building smart, not just grinding, drop "I'm ready to grow" in the comment. Engage, reply, ask for follow-up. Keep the conversation alive. You're not chasing views, you're building momentum. Step 4, the one video system. Video 1 equal discovery, video 2 equal breakdown, video 3 outcome, video 4 personal reflection. That one video become a growth loop, and YouTube pushes system, not randomness. If you're still here, you're not just trying to get monetized, you're building with purpose. So here's what to do next. Subscribe if this helped, drop a comment on Building Smart, and watch the next video in this series where I break down my AI-powered upload system step by step. This isn't about luck, it's about structure. Let's grow together. I'll see you in the next one.